Hi, you guys, it's Melanie, and welcome back to Living Luxuriously for Less. I am so excited to be finally getting to share with you this winter wonderland themed baby shower. It was absolutely amazing on so many levels, and I definitely wanted to start off by sharing with you guys a before of the room so that you could truly appreciate the transformation that actually took place. One of the other great things about this shower is that I was able to pair it with a Luxe Academy, and that means it's like a hands-on teaching of how I actually put together these luxury events, or baby showers, weddings, etc. And if you guys are interested in learning more about that, you can check out my website at melanieturner.design. So here is the first stage of the space. We actually designed the room in the academy, and then we went ahead and placed all of the place settings and centerpieces and everything. And then we also worked on a live floral table runner. So that was one of the other great things about this class. They got to actually work hands-on with pipe and drape, with designing a space, with the live floral arrangements, with putting down the proper place settings. I mean, you name it, like every aspect that goes into doing an event. So if you guys are interested in learning or joining my next Luxe Academy or learning more about it, just visit my website at melanieturner.design. I also offer a virtual class and one-on-one consultation. So you brides that are out there, if you're looking for me to help plan your wedding from afar, I now offer that. So just visit my website to schedule your consult. So here is what the centerpiece looked like all finished. I was so proud of this class. We got so much accomplished. Everything turned out absolutely amazing. I could not ask for anything better. I could not ask for anything more. We actually did what we call roadsidia, and that means like getting greenery from your natural resources that are available. And so that was really fun doing that with the students. One of my students, Tara, was a florist. That was like one of her main gifts, and she really assisted a lot with this. So thank you so much, Tara, for doing this. It was absolutely amazing. And one of the other things that I wanted to point out is the beautiful place settings. You guys take a look at that. The pieces that you see here, they look real, but it's faux china, and it came from Posh Party Supplies, and I will leave their link down below. But if you're having any type of event coming up for the holidays or for a wedding or any type of event, definitely check them out. I love their faux china, and it really makes the room look luxurious without having all of the messy cleanup later, and it does not cost an arm and a leg to rent the real dishes. Now, another thing that we did for the first time at this shower was a balloon wall, and I am so thankful for my right hand, Sharonda, for leading this project. It turned out absolutely amazing, and I always like to do something new at the class that I've never done before. So doing this balloon wall was definitely something new, but I just think it added such a pop to the room, and no pun intended, but it just added that pop to the room, and it was great for photos and backdrops for photos. I mean, it just turned out absolutely amazing, and my clients loved it. Now, one of the things that I wanted to do with this baby shower is, again, I like to add elements that are not typical. So since it was a winter wonderland themed baby shower, and it was she wanted the blush and whites and golds and lots of snow and snowflakes, I just thought it was really appropriate to add a Christmas tree. And this Christmas tree was from the King of Christmas, and I just thought it was really neat to do this in place of a gift table. So I just added a few snowballs at the top of the tree, and because she was having a girl, I decorated it with like little ballet slippers and all things girly. And I also added her name on the tree as well, and she could use this in her nursery. For the tree skirt, I decided to use like a fake tree skirt, a faux fur tree skirt, and I just thought it looked absolutely amazing on the tree. I did add in live florals to kind of, you know, carry on that theme throughout the room of the live flowers, and her name was Callie Dream, so I added dream catchers in the tree as well. So I just thought that was a unique way of, you know, the guests bringing gifts, and then the mom to be like opening up the gifts underneath the Christmas tree. And then after the shower was over, I gifted her with all of the ornaments that I used to decorate the tree, like this bottle that says "My First Christmas." I also had like a pacifier on the tree as well. So I just thought it was such an amazing way, or amazing touch, to add to the shower, and it was very different from what I had done in the past. So I always try to incorporate at least one different element into an event that I'm designing, so it will always look new and it will always look fresh. So the students also got to decorate a Christmas tree at this Lux Academy. So yeah, we did a lot of things for the very first time, and they all turned out absolutely amazing.
When it's Christmas time, I light up a fire, gather friends and family, have a bite to eat and some Christmas sweets, chilling out and watch TV, wrapping up the gifts with my fingertips, making up some fancy rhymes. So fancy. Just got something fun for my special one, but my love don't cost a dime. Waiting for Santa to come, he'll be knocking on my door. Treat the old and the young, I hear sleigh bells in the snow. Holding on to a bunch of reindeer, he'll be making his rounds, working harder for every year. When the Christmas spirit's all over town, I'm not.
So once again, I wanted to remind you guys of the before. Absolutely a totally different space, right, from what you guys just saw. This is, you know, one of the beauties of attending Lux Academy. You get to see and participate in the entire transformation of the space. And here is the after. It does not look like the same room. I would love to know you guys' favorite aspect of this design. So just comment down below and let me know what you enjoyed best about this space. Was it the faux plates and place settings that you see here from Posh Party Supplies? Was it the bling that I used from the Luxe box at Totally Dazzled? These would be amazing on your table for all of your holiday tablescapes. So with the, you know, the faux plates and things like that, absolutely amazing. I love the dessert table and all of the details there. Was that one of your favorite things? Even down to hand painting the beak on the swans. The beaks were initially like an orange color, and we hand painted them to be like more of a blush color. I loved all of the live floral details on the cake. And you guys know that this was done by Rachel at Hot Mama's Bakery. And she also carried over the feathers to the desserts as well. I don't know if you guys can see the feathers like on the Rice Krispie treats and on the cake pops, but that's just details, you guys. It's all about the details. So I would love to hear your comments down below. What was your favorite aspect? And again, thank you guys so much for watching. Thank you for all of your continuous and unwavering support. I will leave all the links down below for Posh Party supplies so that you can pick up your faux china for the holidays or any other celebration, weddings or celebration that you may have coming up. Also, I will leave the link down to my Luxe box for the linens and the bling and all of the other amazing things that you guys see here. Thank you again for watching, and until next time, it's Melanie with Living Luxuriously for Less. Cheers!
When it's Christmas time, I light up a fire, gather friends and family. Have a bite to eat and some Christmas sweets, chilling out and watch TV. Wrapping up the gifts with my fingertips, making up some fancy rhymes. So fancy. Just got something fun for my special one, but my love don't cost a dime. Waiting for Santa to come, he'll be knocking on my door. Treat the old and the young, I hear sleigh bells in the snow. Holding on to a bunch of reindeer, he'll be making his rounds. Working harder for every year, when the Christmas spirit's all over town. I'm not one of them, the three wisest men, but I got an open heart. If you feel alone, just stop by my home. I don't care about who you are. If you make the trip, have a little sip, talking about the good old times, how they did it then, back in Bethlehem, when the legend came to life. I'm waiting for Santa to come, he'll be knocking on my door. Treat the old and the young, I hear sleigh bells in the snow. Holding on to a bunch of reindeer, he'll be making his rounds. Working harder for every year, when the Christmas spirit's all over town. The gifts with my fingertips, making up some fancy rhymes. So fancy. Just got something fun for my special one, but my love don't cost a dime. Waiting for Santa to come, he'll be knocking on my door. Treat the old and the young, I hear sleigh bells in the snow. Holding on to a bunch of reindeer, he'll be making his rounds. Working harder for every year, when the Christmas spirit's all over town. When the Christmas spirit's all over